Enter.
Squeeze me, please, lady.
Yes, what is it?
I'm coming here for to be learning the English.
You're early.
Oh, no, I'm Ali.
I beg your pardon?
My name is Ali Nadim. I'm coming here for to be learning the English.
Ah, yes, yes. You wish to join our new class, English as a foreign language.
Yes, please. And I'm hoping to be unrolled.
Hoping to be unrolled.
Like it say in your syllabus.
You mean hoping to be enrolled?
That is what I said. Hoping to be unrolled.
Yes, well, I'm afraid you cannot be enrolled until the English teacher arrives. Now, she should be here in a few minutes. In the meanwhile, perhaps you would care to wait in the classroom. Go down the corridor, turn left at the bottom, and wait in room 5. Understand?
No.
Well, let's start again. You go down the corridor.
Down corridor.
Good. Turn left.
Turn left.
Right.
But you are confusing me. Left or right?
It's left. Look, you just go down the corridor, turn left, and wait in room 5. Room 5.
Ah, now I'm understanding you. Room 5.
Yes.
Jolly good, thank you. Oh, dearie me, I'm not going where I'm looking.
No, I wasn't looking where I was going.
That makes the two of us. Excuse me, sorry.
Enter.
Mrs. Courtney?
Miss.
Oh, sorry. I'm your new teacher, Jeremy Brown, B.A., Oxon.
You're a man.
Yes.
Well, this is most unsatisfactory. This won't do at all.
Well, I assure you my credentials are impeccable.
Academically, perhaps. I'm talking about sex.
Oh, I also assure you my morals are perfectly respectable, too.
I'm referring to the fact that you are a man. I distinctly requested the local authority to send me a woman teacher, especially in view of what happened with Mr. Warburton.
Mr. Warburton?
Yes. He was teaching English to foreign students last term. I'm afraid he only lasted a month. Then he departed.
Dead?
Demented. Yes, the strain was too much for him. Typical of the male sex. No stamina. Always seemed to be able to cope at first, and then one day he just snapped. It was really quite disgusting.
Really? What did he do?
Climbed out of the classroom window onto the roof, took off all his clothes, and stood there stark naked, singing, "I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts."
Very distressing. Well, there's no need to worry on my account. I mean, I'm not likely to climb out of the classroom window.
I know you aren't.
Oh, thank you for your confidence.
It has nothing to do with confidence. We've had the window frames nailed down.
How very thoughtful. Well, I really would appreciate the job, Mrs. Courtney.
Miss.
Miss Courtney. I am qualified, and I rather do need a job, what with the economic situation and inflation.
All right, there's no need to whimper. You can start immediately.
Thank you.
On a month's trial,
Thank you.
if you last that long.
I'll do my best. Where will I find my students?
Class 5, down the corridor and turn left.
Right. I'm looking forward to meeting them. I'm sure we're all going to get along extremely well.
मैं शिमला की हूँ जी।
Good evening.
आपको कितने साल हुए हैं यहाँ?
Good evening.
मैं 4-5 साल हो गया।
मैं नई आई हूँ यहाँ इसलिए।
Well, I'm pleased to meet you all.
We are also pleased to be meeting you.
I am Brown.
Oh, no. You are committing a mistake.
A mistake?
Yes, please. You are not brown. We are brown. You are white.
My name is Brown. I am your teacher.
Ah, you professori!
Yes. Quiet, please.
Silencio!
Thank you. Right, would you all like to sit down? Sit down.
Awesome!
Right, I'll just take a note of all your names, nationalities, and occupations. Right?
Por favor, señor.
Yes?
Es la primera vez que vengo.
¿Es esta la clase para aprender inglés?
Well, I haven't the faintest idea what you're saying, but I'm sure you're not trying to find the needlework class.
Por favor.
It doesn't matter. Have a seat.
Por favor.
Sit down.
Ah, sí.
No, not there.
Por favor.
There.
Ah, sí.
Right, I'll just go round the class and take your names. Yes? Ah, yes. What is your name?
Maximilian Andrea Archimedes Papandreou.
I think I'll just put you down as Max. Take it you're Greek?
He is right, from Athens.
Good. And what is your job?
I walk with sheeps.
You walk with sheep? You're a shepherd? You work on a farm?
No, not far.
But you just said you work with sheep.
No. Sheeps. Big sheeps. Yes, sheeps. Tonkers.
Tankers.
Right. I walk in office.
Good. Thank you. And your name?
Anna Schmidt, German au pair.
Usual German efficiency?
Germans are always efficient.
Not her. So. Japanese, much more efficient.
Nein, Germans are the best.
Japanese make a much better television and do cameras.
No, please, let us have no racialism. In this class, all are equal. Your name?
Giovanni Cupello, Italian.
And where do you work?
I work in Ristorante dei Popoli.
A waiter.
No, not a waiter, a cuccuta. Sì, a cuccuta ravioli, a cuccuta spaghetti, a cuccuta lasagna, a cuccuta everything.
A chef.
Okay.
And your name?
हाँ जी
What is your name?
क्या कहा
Me, Jeremy Brown. You.
पता नहीं जी क्या कह रहे हो
Max. Anna Schmidt. Giovanni Cupello. You.
ओहो आप नाम पूछ रहे हो अच्छा मैं लिख देती हूँ लिखती हूँ 1 मिनट फिक्र ना करो जी लिखना पढ़ना आता है मुझे हाँ जी अच्छा
Yes, write your name down. Good. It's no good. I need your name in English.
नो उर्दू
No Urdu.
हाय तो मैं यहाँ काहे के लिए आई अंग्रेजी आती होती तो मैं सीखने आती अंग्रेजी कोई आपको क्या चाहिए अब मुझे पता नहीं कहाँ से लाऊं मैं पता नहीं क्या चाहिए आपको देखो जी सही लिखा हुआ होगा अंग्रेजी तो पता नहीं देखूं ये तो नहीं कहीं कागज जो आपको चाहिए
Ah, certificate of registration. Jamila Ranja, housewife. Thank you. Good. And your name?
I am Ali Nadeem from Lahore. I am working at the moment, not anywhere at all.
You're unemployed.
Yes, please. Only 1 day a week I'm working.
What do you do then?
I'm going to the unemployment exchange for to be collecting my money. Oh, blimey. I get more money for not being working than when I'm working.
Yes, but before you discovered this secret of eternal wealth, what did you do?
Blimey, I worked at the Taj Mahal.
In Delhi?
Oh no, Patani. Taj Mahal Tandoori restaurant. Jolly good chapati and papadam.
1,000 apologies for my lateness. The omnibus was going backwards.
I'm sure there must be a more logical explanation.
It is the absolute truth. I was told to be taking a number 27 omnibus, and I complied. But it went in a backward direction.
No, I think you meant it was going the other way.
That is the gist of what I'm saying. 1,000 apologies.
It's all right. Perhaps you'd like to sit next to Ali, your countryman.
I cannot sit there. It's impossible.
Why is it impossible?
I'm sick.
Oh, dear. Hope it's not contagious. Perhaps you want to come back when you're better.
I do not comprehend the gist of your conversation.
Well, you said you were sick.
No. I am not referring to my physical state of mind.
How do you feel about Roman Catholics?
Oh, I treat them like my brothers.
Good. Well, you can go and sit next to Giovanni then.
Puppy! Infidel!
Gentlemen, please. You're here to learn English, not start a holy war. And what is your name?
Ranjit Singh.
And you're from which country?
Punjab.
And what is your job?
I am a very important member of the British underground.
Underground what?
Just the underground. Mind the door!
That underground. And your name?
Harold Nagasumi. My name Carter. Japanese. Representative of Bushido Electronics.
Very good, very good. And finally, your name.
Por favor.
Your name. What is your name?
Por favor.
Nome.
Ah, nombre, sí. Juan Cervantes, para servirle, señor.
No need to ask what nationality you are.
Por favor.
Spanish.
Por favor.
What is your job?
Por favor.
Trabalho.
Ah, trabajo, sí. Trilaga.
Tree lagger? What, you lag trees?
One gin tonic, 2 whiskey coca, Trilaga.
3 lagers.
Sí.
Ah, you work in a bar?
Sí, va.
Well, Mr. Brown?
Yes, thank you. Apart from one attempted murder and a possible race riot, I seem to be coping reasonably well.
Well, what I really came to inform you about was the registration fees for the students. Now, it's £5 per head, and I should be grateful if you would collect the money and bring it to my office in your tea break.
Right, I'll do that.
Well, we have one thing to be grateful for anyway. Sex won't be rearing its ugly little head.
Beg your pardon?
Well, in my experience, it isn't race or religion that causes the problems. It's usually the presence of some foreign beauty. Jealousies, intrigues, all that sort of thing.
Yes, well, looking at my class, I don't think we'd be too bothered with anything like that.
I come to learn English. Have I come to the right place?
Enter.
Mrs. Courtney.
Miss.
Miss. I've just brought the registration fees for the students.
Ah, good. Now, how many students have you?
9.
So there should be £45 in there.
Well, that all depends upon the rate of exchange.
I don't quite follow you.
Not all of them had £5 in English money, so I collected £29.50 in sterling, and the rest is made up of 2,000 yen, 3,000 lira, 250 pesetas, 75 drachma, 50 francs, and 12 Deutschmarks. According to this morning's financial papers, that should give us a profit of £1.42.5p.
Then I suggest you take it to the bank in the morning and convert it to English currency.
Right, I'll do that.
Oh, by the way, how's the femme fatale?
Ah, yes, Danielle. Well, at the moment she's in the tea room with Italy, Spain and Greece trying to establish diplomatic relations.
Well, I hope she's not going to cause any bother.
Oh, no, I'm sure she won't.
Look, I'm not gonna sit here.
No, it's me who's going to be sitting here.
Before you were sit over there.
And before you were sitting over there.
You take it, Mick.
Who, me?
You go back sit where you were before.
No, I sit here.
You not sit here.
Ha! Who's going to be stopping me?
Me. Yourself. You think you're tough? Come out the side.
Okay.
Where are you going?
We go outside to have a punch down.
You mean a punch up?
I'm going to, how you say, knock his bloody block off.
We see whose bloody blocker is knockered off.
Oh, just a minute. What is all this about?
I tell you, Mr. White.
Brown.
Oh, excuse me. It's about where we sit.
Well, what's wrong with where you were sitting before?
It's my eyes, Professori. I've got to sit nearer the front. Here.
Oh, I see, and I suppose it's got nothing to do with the fact that Danielle is sitting here too?
She is? I never noticed. You see, so my eyes, I'm a little short-sighted.
And also a much bigger liar.
It's not true, Mr. Green.
The name is Brown.
You see, I'm a colorblind as well.
And Max, I suppose you've got trouble with your eyes as well, have you?
Oh, no. My eyes are okay. It's my ears. I'm not hearing very well.
That's a likely story.
What you say?
I say you both go back and sit where you were sitting before. Now.
Santa Maria.
I hope you don't think I was, how you say, too forward.
No, I'm sure you weren't in any way to blame at all.
Teacher, please.
Mr. Brown,
Yes?
please forgive my lateness. I apologize, but I lost my way.
Not to worry. What is your name?
Chung Suli,
Suli. And where are you from?
Democratic Republic of China.
And what is your job?
Secretary, Chinese diplomat.
Very nice. Right, where shall we put you? Taro, how are relations between Japan and China?
Depends on a political viewpoint. Japan, right wing. China, left wing.
I see. Are you right-wingo or left-wingo? Right or left?
I follow teaching of Chairman Mao.
Ah, well, in that case, you better sit next to Jamila, the Indian lady, all right?
Thank you.
Right, now we will start by learning a few basic English verbs. And firstly, we will take the verb to be. I am English. You are Chinese. He is Italian. She is French.
He is barbarian.
You are asking for a kick up your big brown backside.
Now look, pay attention, please. I am. You are.
You are.
He, she, or it is.
He or it is.
We are.
We are.
You are.
You are.
They are.
They are.
I shall now go round the class and ask you each to give me a sentence using the verb to be. Taro, I am.
Ah, so. I am very happy to be learning English.
Very good. Good. Giovanni, he is.
He is a fool.
Good, but not Isidore. He is a fool.
Yes, he is a fool.
Max, she is.
She is beautiful. She is wonderful. Oh, she is...
Yes, thank you, Max. Juan, it is.
Por favor.
It is.
Por favor.
It is raining.
Lloviendo. It is raining.
No, no llueve.
No, it is raining.
No llueve, hombre. Yo tengo...
Santa Maria Malacha, it is raining.
We'll skip you for the moment.
Por favor.
Doesn't matter. Sit down. Suli, it is.
It is duty of every citizen to overthrow imperial warmongers. So say Chairman Mao.
Yes, well, that's his opinion. Good. Danielle, we are.
We are lucky to have such great.
Quiet, please. Very true. I mean, thank you. Ali, you are. are?
You are waiting for me to speak an answer.
Well done. Anna.
Unfortunately, I am not understanding the question.
I want you to give me a sentence using you are.
I am.
No, not I am. You are. For example, you are from Pakistan.
I am from Pakistan.
Good, yes, but now use you are.
But I cannot say you are from Pakistan because you are not, are you?
Repeat after me. You are English.
No, I am from Pakistan.
What am I?
You are confusing me.
You are stupid poof.
Don't you call me poof. Poof. I will kill you. Sit down.
Sit down, please. Right. And there's really not much more we can do until you all get the textbooks I was telling you about. What I would like you to do is some homework, all right? I want you to write me an essay. A short story about your life here in England. Things you do, the things you like. And I'll see you all on Wednesday. Ah, Mrs. Courtney. Miss. Well, I've just dismissed the class for the night. I think we've just about covered all there is to for the first session.
You look a trifle under the weather. Job getting you down already?
Oh, no, I'm fine. Never felt better. There's just one thing, though.
Yes?
That window you nailed down, the one Mr. Warburton climbed out of.
What about it?
I think we ought to put a few more nails in, just to be on the safe side.